Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I am going to be planting some seeds. I have basil, I have stevia, I have some medicinal plants, hyssop blue and St. John's wort. And plus I'm going to be talking about the little tiny clip that I put at the beginning of this video. And that clip came from, yeah, it came from my shopping haul with my mom-in-law at Big Lots yesterday. We love shopping at Big Lots. Okay, not gonna lie. We go there and we look for their clearance. And their clearance was, when I tell you it was crazy yesterday, it was crazy, okay? And, hi Penelope, hello, hello. No. We cleared them out. We cleared them out like crazy. We filled up 2 shopping carts. And we divvied it up between 3 households. So I don't want you to think, holy cow, you know, Gypsy, what are you doing? You know, keeping all that for yourself. No. It went between my household, my mom-in-law's household, because it's not just my mom-in-law that lives in her house. It's my sister-in-law and my niece and my nephew. And we are shipping another care package up to my son and his girlfriend in Knoxville, Tennessee. So, you know, I don't want you to think that we're being, you know, selfish over here. No. We're not going to eat all that. That would just be a little too crazy. So, I just wanted to let you know, guys know that, yeah, that was an insane day. We were getting packs of cookies for as low as 5 cents. Gallons of orange juice for 35 cents. So it just goes to show you have to know where to shop, when to shop, because certain stores do clearance on certain days. Okay? Big Lots unfortunately does not accept like manufacturer coupons, but they do have their own coupons. So if you go to biglots.com, sometimes you can get $5 off, okay? They'll email it to you or whatever, okay? Sometimes they'll text message it to you and you'll get a barcode. So, just a fun little fact. But yeah, so seriously, you know, Big Lots is the place to go, especially for their clearance. Because when they clearance, holy cow, do they clearance. So, okay, on to doing some medicinal herbs. Now, this is hyssop blue, okay? Now, just a real quick, this is drought resistant. It attracts butterflies and hummingbirds and bees. We need bees for pollination for our gardens. So this is very important. It likes full sun, fast draining soil. So if you're going to be doing in pots, make sure you put some tree limbs, you know, some broken up kindling or whatever you may have around your property. Not much fertilizer. It does well on its own, seriously. If you have clay for soil, don't use clay. Get some, you know, bagged soil, please. This works great for zones 3 through 9. I am in zone 9, so this would be great for where I'm at. Now this treats sore throats and colds and hoarseness, and it's also used as an expectorant. Now, some herbalists say they believe that hyssop has beneficial effects for asthma, UTIs, and as an appetite stimulation. Now, when you plant this, germination time is 7 to 14 days, and you want to plant this about a 1/4 inch deep. So let's get into planting this really quick. I can't wait for this. I really can't. And Penelope, how did you get into the garden? Yeah, get out. And you're stepping on Mommy's pepper plants. Oh my God. Penelope, come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, get off the pepper plants. Go. Go. Oh my God. Yeah, you're in trouble. Yes, you are. Wait till Daddy sees you. Yeah, I know. I know. Hang on, I gotta go get my husband. Okay, now that she's back in the house, she's walked all over my pepper plants. I have to go get more of those tent stakes that you put in the ground to anchor the fence to the ground. Yeah, okay. So I'm just going to move some of this dirt around. Like I said, they don't require much fertilizer, so don't put like extra cow manure or whatever is already in the bagged soil that you have, just use that. Don't add any much more fertilizer. So I'm just going to sprinkle this around, cover this up, move it to the other side. Can you see? I hope my head's not in the way. Okay, some of this stuff on my envelope. Awesome sauce. Okay. And then we will water this. Pat that down. So I am really excited about this because I wanted to extend my herb garden with medicinal plants. I've already got chamomile growing and stuff like that, but chamomile takes 120 days. Yeah, that's insane. Didn't realize how long it takes for chamomile. I really didn't. So, okay, let's move this to the side. This will be put over the fence into the garden because I've got herbs growing in the smaller garden. Now we'll have herbs growing over in this garden. So now we have this one right here. Okay, now we're going to be growing some St. John's wort. Now, St. John's wort, you can buy this in the vitamin aisle, okay? But a lot of these medicinal herbs that I'm going to be growing, you can make them into teas, okay? You can, from what I understand, extract the oils from them. So, however you want to do it, look it up, okay? Do your research. Always do your research before you do anything. Seriously. Okay, so St. John's wort, it treats moderate depression, anxiety. Okay. Its oils and leaves and flowers are used to treat skin disorders like eczema, psoriasis, minor burns, bruises, insect bites and stings, which is a good thing, especially down here. I can't tell you how many times I've gotten bit by something. Earaches, inflammation, rashes, cuts and abrasions, nerve pain. That'll be good for our elders. Hemorrhoids. Oh, yeah. Insomnia, which I do have. Now, as with anything, consult your physician before taking any kind of herbal remedy. Please don't just pick something off of a plant and say, okay, I'm cured, because taking herbal remedies along with prescribed medication, it may counteract. So please, consult with your doctor first. Now, when planting this, okay, while sowing seeds, make sure it's well-drained soil. This is good for zones 3 through 10. It's good for full sun. It's drought tolerant, which is beautiful. You don't need much fertilizer, so you don't have to add any fertilizer to your soil. Now, surface planting, so they'll just sprinkle the seeds. You don't have to cover them up, which is awesome. Germination is 7 to 14 days. So, fairly easy for St. John's wort. And the seeds are itty bitties. Itty bitties. Ooh. I don't know if you can see. Look, look, look. See what's on the envelope? Look how itty bitty. Holy cow, is that small. So we'll just do a quick little sprinkle. Let me see if I can get those off. Yeah, they're coming off. Okay, good. Okay, awesome sauce. All right. Oh, yeah, got something in my eye. Okay. Now, next up, I am going to be planting some just regular herbs. I've got some lemon basil here. Um, this is just a 1/4 inch deep. Keep the soil moist 5 to 10 days for germination. Everybody loves basil. Who doesn't? Okay, especially if you're Italian and you like it in your sauce. Yeah. Also, itty bitties. I don't know if you can see those itty bitties. Oh, we got some trapped down in there. Come on, little fellas. Yeah, I got them all. Okay. So I'm just going to move some dirt to the side and do a sprinkle sprinkle. And I'm going to put some dirt on top of that. All right. Now, on to the next one. On to the next one. This, because, not for nothing, guys, but, you know, when the shit hits the fan, all right, you want to be stuck without sugar, okay? I may be Italian, but I don't know a guy who knows a guy who knows a guy who knows a guy, okay? So, I figured why not? So let's do this. Now stevia, as you know, is a heck of a lot sweeter than just regular sugar, okay? If you've ever used stevia, you know, the store-bought, okay? So I figured why not try it? Ooh, little itty bitties. No shit. Holy cow. There's one stuck in there. Can you see that? Trying to get my hand up as close as I possibly can. Look, look, look. I'll have to get that one out of there in a minute. Now, stevia is 7 to 21 days to germination. They like full sun, but also they like shade, like afternoon shade. Well-drained, moist soil, good for zones 9 through 11. So not very big zones, okay? Not a lot of zones can grow stevia, okay? So let's, ooh, so little, so little. So this is my first time growing stevia, so hopefully we have some success with it. Did I get it out of there? Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, I did. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this back up. I don't know, those looked, wow, really, really small. They didn't even look like seeds, to be honest with you, but whatever. Okay, now a lot of these seeds that I've been buying, I found this new website, and the prices were right, honestly, and the shipping was, you know, perfect. It's called, and I'm not sponsored, so, you know, I'm just telling you where to go that I found great deals at, okay? Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Company. It's out of Mansfield, Missouri. So it's called rareseeds.com, and you can literally find some seeds that I couldn't find anywhere else. I've got a lot more seeds that I found, but they're inside and they're for next year. So, I mean, I found like echinacea, you know, things like that. So check these guys out, seriously. Okay, that's all for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. I love you, and be safe out there, okay? Talk to you later. Bye, guys.